So today is the second day of install. We are about a third of the way through installing the commission. I think it's going really well. Seeing the first piece go on the wall was really exciting because it's been this, 4 months of build up, being in the fabrication process, being in the design process. You just kind of, you have it in your head, and then finally when you see that first piece go on, huge moment of excitement and also relief. When viewers initially or first see the work, I really want them to get immediately that feeling of water in motion. Hopefully see that the ochre and the red tones in the work connect them to the idea of the Yarra River. And then on further inspection, when they come up close to the work, they'll then see the definition of the print that we've done with the high gloss finish. So that will then further connect to kind of the motion of water. And I think it's a reflection of who I've been working with. Ellen and Marty from RACV have been amazing to work with and super supportive. And then in Sydney, I've also had an amazing team of engineers and fabricators to make me complete this work on time.
So this work by Victoria Hempstead is really new and exciting. Victoria is an artist who isn't in our collection, so we're really pleased to be able to have her join RACV Art Collection. People, when they come to RACV City Club, when they walk through those turnstile doors, they'll just look to the left and see this very impressive artwork that takes up the whole sort of scale of the wall. And when people move around the City Club, they'll be able to see the work from different vantage points. We can't wait to see it up, and I'm sure for Victoria as well, it's a really huge relief to have it up there and share it with the broader public as well.
Yeah, I'm incredibly proud of this one. It's my second public work, but it's definitely the biggest work I've ever made, and I feel really proud of myself for bringing it all together, especially in such a short period of time.
It's been quite a bit in the making, so we're very glad to be able to see it up on the wall and share it with everyone.